purpose, because there's another very interesting feature of Botcha and these are the modifiers. Modifiers are found in the property panel. Whenever I select a mesh, I can add a modifier. This is a concept that is, if you've ever used Blender, you will be familiar with. This is something that we've added to Rhino. And the first thing that I want to do is I want to thicken this part. So you can see that now it got a little bit thicker, but it didn't really change the geometry, but it just changed the Rhino render mesh. So this, if I want to have it thicker, so instead of 1 millimeter, I want to go to 3 millimeter, just change here and parametrically this will update. So the modifiers are very interesting for parametric workflows, and these are gonna be your bread and butter when you're dealing with parts, because if I have a design change, I will not have to rebuild the entire model, but I will just go through my modifiers, change a bit, change a couple of meshes, and then I will have a nice and clean remapped part. Another thing that I can do is I can weld the edges, for example, for having cleaner, sharp here edges. And the last that I'm very interested in is the sub-D. I like the Rhino sub-D is going to be as if you convert it to a Rhino sub-D. If you use Catmull-Clark, it's going to use the Catmull-Clark subdivision surface algorithm. You will see that, yeah, depending on the kind of workflow that you want to achieve, one is going to be better than the other. I like Rhino sub-D, so let's keep it with that. Can reduce a bit the welding angle, and there I have it.